Good afternoon again. I'm Virgínia Ferreira, and I'm here today to introduce Pure2U and the power to purify. We spend most of our time indoors, and the indoor air can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than the outdoor air. In fact, 3.2 million people die annually only due to indoor air pollution. Volatile organic compounds accumulate indoors. These are molecular chemicals that can aggravate respiratory diseases, cause long-term damage to vital organs, and some are carcinogenic. The current solutions for indoor air mitigation lean primarily in ventilation systems, air conditioning, and air purifiers, and these rely on filtration and are not working. Why? Because they have limited effectiveness. HEPA filters are the best for particles removal, but have no effect on the volatile organic compounds. Activated carbon can remove the VOCs, but loses effectiveness over time and can release the VOCs back into the air once saturated and need replacement. These systems also require dedicated energy. So there is a huge need for effective solutions for VOCs elimination without maintenance and using energy in an affordable way. We know already some species that can destroy the VOCs that are reactive oxygen species or ROSs. The ones we are interested in are very short-lived, produced on surfaces, and therefore are not harmful to humans. We found a compound that can produce ROSs. Unlike other technologies, it does not need UV light and can be used indoors. When illuminated with the visible light, either natural or artificial, it promotes the formation of the ROSs from water and oxygen. Once the ROSs are produced, they combine with the VOCs, destroying them. This material is a catalyst, is not consumed during the reaction, and can continuously produce ROSs and destroy the VOCs. Our preliminary results show good effectiveness for the VOCs elimination. We developed a smart additive for coatings, the Add2Clean, that can be customized according to our customer needs, the media, or the active ingredient. It delivers stimuli-responsive activity, promotes a healthier lifestyle, and therefore saves money. It is sustainable and can transform any surface in an air purifying agent. Our market is the European indoor paint, and it's valued at 15 billion euros. That corresponds to 3.2 billion liters. The Add2Clean photocatalytic additive served market was estimated with a 2% market penetration to be 0.5 billion euros with an added cost of 8 euros per liter. The competition are, for example, the titanium dioxide materials that require UV light or combination with other materials to be active under visible light, adsorbents that lose effectiveness over time, or filters that need to be replaced. Add2Clean offers a safe, long-lasting, and highly effective solution for elimination of VOCs from indoor air. Our business is a B2B model. We will outsource the production of one ingredient, then we'll prepare the customized additive in-house, and we will sell it to the paint and coating manufacturers. We will do the testing and R&D in our facilities. This is our roadmap. With an initial investment of about 1 million, we plan to go to the market in 2028. And a second round of investment of 2.4 million will take us through the first years in the market and allow the R&D of other products in the pipeline. So we are looking for a total investment of 3.5 million euros with a payback period of 3 years, break even in 2 years, and we forecast a revenue of 20 million in 2032. The Pure2U team is from the Chemical and Material Science at the Chemistry and Biochemistry Department of the Science Faculty of the University of Lisbon, and Frederico was our mentor in this program. So to wrap up, people are dying due to indoor air pollution with the contribution of the volatile organic compounds. We developed a smart additive for coatings that can eliminate these VOCs using only visible light and provide a smarter, safer environment for us all. So don't forget, we can give the power to your walls. And finally, we would like to thank you all for listening and HiTech for taking us in this incredible journey. Thank you.